their years' experience and technology accumulation. But now, these engineers are getting older, and no one wants to work on welding. Engineers in Jihoyen company like welding industrial. We respect good welder and we summarize the welding technology and profession parameter right into the robot controller. We have our own welding professional database. Robot operator only need to tell the robot material, thickness, and other basic requirements. Then, JHY Robot will calculate the best welding parameter and get good welding results. Now the factories are very difficult to find good workers. Welding engineers' salary is the most expensive in factories. JHY Robot is professional and the price of a robot is good. Cost of our standard robot is similar as 1 year's salary of a good welder. The robot design life is 10 years. The robot can work 24 hours with no stop. JHY Robot is changing the robot industry. We make a lot of small factories to use good JHY Robot. In future, the robot will be like the standard tools. Everyone can use it. The market is very big, and only we can go into this market. At the same time, we let people who produce robots in China see the hope. Chinese robots can get good welding results with cheap price. The application of welding robots is rapidly popularized, increasing factory productivity, improving production efficiency, consistent weld formation, and great improving product qualification rate. JHY welding robot can communicate wirelessly with the factory production management system, and all welding parameters can be uploaded in real time. The entire process can be monitored and traceable. In the future, the industrial factory will have the intelligent workshop data link. The JHY Robot is a port for producing big data. Welders are all in the front line of the workshop, especially in the heavy industry. There are a large number of electric welders. The more people in the workshop, the more likely they are to have personal injury accidents. The JHY Robot insists on people-oriented and safety first. Give the work to the robot and leave the time to the family. In order to solve more industrial applications, JHY company continues to invest in develop more and more types of robot applications. Since its establishment, JHY has developed, produced, and sold various industrial robots. We provide industrial robots with various functions such as welding, cutting, grinding, packaging, assembly, and handling, as well as corresponding complete solutions. Years of research and development production has enabled JHY company to accumulate a wealth of experience and gain a good reputation in the robot industry. In recent years, the concept of artificial intelligence has been continually booming, and emerging technologies such as robotics, cloud computing, and big data have developed rapidly. JHY company has carefully summarized the experience of robotic product manufacturing and has accelerated the upgrade of robot-related products, while constantly striving to improve business capabilities. JHY also actively helps industry peers to make progress together. Over the years, JHY company has been committed to help small and medium-sized